Good morning, everybody. It is the 20th of December, 2018. It's 2 o'clock. Sorry I fell asleep on you. I had plugged my phone into the charger and thought, I'll take a 20-minute nap. Right. Alright, here's what we got. There was a 5.0 Philippine Islands. Alright, that was 47 miles in depth. That was on the Hong Kong Earthquake Center. USGS said you're wrong. It was only a 4.6. There was a 4.2 off the coast of Chiapas, Mexico at 16 miles in depth. There was a 3.7 Mamasa at 6.2 miles in depth. That was on the BMKG. 3.5 New Zealand at 7.5 miles in depth. That was on the New Zealand Earthquake Center. There was a 4.4 Northern Sumatra, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 5.1 off the shore of Vanuatu Island region, and that was at 405 miles in depth. It was on the BMKG. There was a 4.1 Peru at 12 miles in depth. And that was on the Peru Earthquake Center. The rest of these were on EMSC. There was a 4.5 Turkey at 1.2 miles in depth. A 4.5 Vanuatu Island at 12 miles in depth. A 4.2 Chile at 53 miles in depth. A 4.3 Southern Greece at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.8 Tonga Island region, and that was at 80 miles in depth. There was a 4.1 off the shore of Mexico at 17 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 near the coast of southern Peru. That one was on the Peru earthquake and the EMSC. There was a 4.3 Alaska at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, I called and talked to the meteorologist about those two tropical cyclones. And it is possible for them to merge. They said the strongest of the two would probably suck in the weakest one. Now, it's possible that the other one will become stronger. And he says it's also possible that they would knock each other out and they would disappear. I said, so which one's going to happen? He says, lady, nobody can tell you that. I said, okay. You know me, I got to ask the questions. But anyway, that's what's going on with that. I'll check them tomorrow morning and give you an update on that. I'm just curious to find out what's going to happen. That's all. Alright guys, God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Have yourself a great day. Thank you.